Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem on maths portion. This problem came in the year 2017 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is, if ux and vx are differentiable at x equals 0 and if u0 equal 5, u prime 0 equal minus 3, v0 equal minus 1 and v prime 0 equal 2, then the value of ddx of uv plus u by v at x equals 0 is option A minus 20, option B minus 7, option C 6, option D 13. Okay, so first of all, here you need to find the value of ddx of uv plus u by v, right? So, to find this, let us write it, ddx of uv plus u by v. Okay, and that is equal, let us break it, that is ddx of uv plus ddx of u by v. Okay, now what is ddx of uv? That is multiplication of u and v. That is equal u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, and what is ddx of u by v? It is, these are simple formulas, right? Multiplication and divide. So, it is v times du dx minus u times dv dx divided by v square. This is simple formula, right? Formula for this one and this one. Okay, so now what is this dv dx? dv dx is actually v prime, right? We can write it as u v prime. Du dx we can write it as u prime plus again du dx means v u prime minus u v prime divided by v square. So, we have what we have used is du dx equal u prime and dv dx equal v prime, right? We have used these two things. So, now see, we can write this u prime u prime in terms of function of x, right? That means we can write it as u function of x times v prime function of x plus v function of x times u prime function of x and so on. That means this is v function of x times u prime function of x minus u function of x times v prime function of x divided by v function of x square. Okay, now if we put x equals 0, that is for x equals 0, because we need to find the value of ddx of uv plus u by v at x equals 0. So ddx of uv plus u by v at x equals 0 is, so let us write it in the next page, that is ddx of uv plus u by v at x equals 0 is equal, what was it? It was ux v prime x plus vx u prime x, right? So it is u0 v prime 0 plus v0 u prime 0 plus vx u prime x minus ux v prime x by vx square. v0 u prime 0 minus u0 v prime 0 by v0 square. Okay. Now let us put the value of this u0 v prime 0 v0 u prime 0. Okay. Now here you can see, here is u0 equal 5, u prime 0 equal minus 3, v0 equal minus 1 and v prime 0 equal 2. Okay. So let us put these values, 5 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. It is 5 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. So it is again minus 1 times u prime 0, that means minus 3, minus u0 means 5 times v prime 0 means 2 divided by v0, that is minus 1 square. Okay. So if we solve it, what we get? We get 5 times 2, that means 10 plus 3, right? Minus 1 times minus 3, that means 3 plus 3 plus this becomes minus 1 square, that means 1, only 1, right? So here it is 1 and in the numerator it is plus 3 minus 10. Okay. So this plus 10 minus 10 cancels out and we are left with 3 plus 3, right? That means 6. So if we go to the question, go back to the question, that is here it is option C, 6. So our correct answer is option C, 6. Okay. So we could successfully solve this problem. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-ta!